In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch and then work 8 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first, yarn round hook, and pull through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in same stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch where we just worked the slip stitch of the last round. The first single crochet is done. Place a marker in the first single crochet through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. We have 2 single crochets in the same stitch. That's 1 increase.
Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done.
Continue to work 7 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Eight increases are done. We can count the V's to check the number of stitches. There are 16 V's. 8 increases are done. This is the slip stitch of last round. This is not counted into the number of stitches. This is the chain stitch of this round. This one is not counted into the number of stitches neither. Skip these 2 stitches and work 1 slip stitch in the marked stitch. Pull the yarn tail tight. Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Yarn round hook and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then pull the first loop on hook through the original loop on the hook. Tighten up. That's 1 slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If it's too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 8 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is only to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, we're gonna work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fifth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The sixth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The seventh set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. the 8th set with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Eight sets are done. This is the slip stitch of last round, and the other is the chain stitch of this round. They are not counted into the number of stitches, and we need to skip these 2 stitches. Finally, with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Make sure to tighten up when working the slip stitch. The slip stitch only serves as a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 3 is done.